Okay, everyone, get ready because we're diving into the fabulous world of Selena Gomez. No, not the Disney star. We're talking about Selena, the billionaire mogul who's taking over 2025. From mansions to million-dollar weddings, get ready for Selena's insane lifestyle. We've got all the deets on her jaw-dropping life, so let's jump right in. Okay, let's start with the big question. How much cash does Selena have? Well, according to the latest reports, Selena's net worth has officially crossed the billion-dollar mark. Yep, you heard it right, $1 billion. And here's the mind-blowing part. It's not just from her singing or acting. Sure, those have brought in some serious cash. But the real game changer is her beauty empire, Rare Beauty. This company has become a global sensation with makeup and skincare flying off shelves. In fact, during the pandemic, when everyone was stuck at home, Rare Beauty launched a face mask that sold out in hours. And guess what? They raked in a whopping $100 million in sales within the first year. That's right, $100 million in less than a year. With Selena's savvy business moves, Rare Beauty is now valued at around $21 billion, making it one of the hottest brands in the world. And get this, industry insiders say it could hit $1 billion in annual sales by 2025. Selena isn't just a star. She's a brand, a powerhouse. And when it comes to luxury, she's a true mogul. Speaking of luxury, let's talk about Selena's crib. Back in February, Selena and her fiancé, music producer Benny Blanco, dropped a cool $35 million on a mansion in Beverly Hills. And let me tell you, this place is worth every penny. It's like stepping into a luxurious palace with 7 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and enough space to host royalty. But it's not just the size that's impressive. The mansion boasts a private spa, home theater, gym, and even a greenhouse. Can you imagine a greenhouse in your mansion? It's like having a piece of nature's beauty right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the views. Every window offers a picturesque view of the surrounding area. It's like living in a real-life fairy tale. And if you thought that was impressive, wait till I spill the tea on Selena's upcoming nuptials. That's right, we're talking about her wedding. According to the latest scoop, Selena has booked out the entire El Encanto resort in Santa Barbara for her big day. And let me tell you, this place is seriously exclusive. Rooms at El Encanto can cost upwards of $3,500 a night. And it's not just a regular hotel. It's a luxurious retreat nestled in the hills overlooking the ocean. Selena's wedding is gonna be a star-studded affair with all her closest friends and family in attendance. And with the whole resort booked out, they'll have complete privacy and luxury. And let's not forget about Selena's red carpet glam. When she steps out, she does it in style. At the 2025 Emmy Awards, Selena made heads turn in a custom scarlet Louis Vuitton gown that was dripping in Tiffany & Co. diamonds. And guess what? Her stunning look for that night alone was worth more than most people's houses. It's not just about the price tag, though. It's about the impact. Selena knows how to make a grand entrance, and she does it with grace and elegance. Now, here's the thing. Despite living the ultra-luxury lifestyle, Selena isn't all about flaunting her wealth. In fact, she's quite the opposite. She uses her platform to give back, especially through her Rare Beauty brand. They've donated millions to mental health causes, showing that luxury and meaning can go hand in hand. So here's the picture. Selena Gomez, billionaire businesswoman, living in a $35 million mansion, planning a multi-million-dollar wedding, owning every red carpet she graces. But it's not just about the money. It's about the power, the purpose, and the passion that drive her success. Selena has redefined luxury on her own terms. She's a force to be reckoned with, and she's just getting started. What do you think? Is Selena the new queen of luxury lifestyle, or is her success more about impact than indulgence? You decide, but one thing's for sure, Selena Gomez isn't just a star. She's a shining example of how to live life on your own terms. Thanks for joining us on this journey into Selena's fabulous world. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And hey, if you've got any juicy celebrity news or lifestyle trends you want us to cover, drop a comment below. We might feature your suggestion in our next video. Until then, stay tuned for more insights into the lives of the rich and famous. Remember, with great wealth comes great style. And Selena Gomez is serving looks and inspiring moves, Keep shining bright, Selena.